Sam is an MBA college student. He asked his friend Sid, who has completed his doctorate in Asian markets and also is an expert on the Chinese economy, for his insight. Welcome to Force Edu, a place where all business and supply chain enthusiasts come for a weekly dose of knowledge. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, you're missing out on value-adding content.
Hey Sid, I am writing a thesis on China's economic standing as a part of my MBA curriculum. And since you are an expert on Chinese economy, it would be really helpful if you could share your insights.
Sure Sam, I would love to help you out. Just tell me what exactly do you want to know?
From what I have gathered, in past 30 years, Chinese economy has grown tremendously by 35 times till date. During this period, 850 million people were lifted out of poverty, the highest number of any country. In addition to this, it would be helpful if you could shed some more light on its current economic standings.
Alright. Well, China is known as the world's factory. With over 115 million workers for manufacturing, it has a global manufacturing output of 28.7%, which is 12% higher than its closest competitor, the United States. Also, in 2020, China produced over 1,053 million tons of steel. That is over half of the world's capacity. These are some of the major factors why China stands second in the world economy.
So now I know why China has such vast influence on world economies. And I also read that China is the world's largest automobile producer, manufacturing more than 27 million vehicles in 2018.
Yes, absolutely. These are very impressive numbers considering that the US and Japan manufactured 11.3 million and 9.7 million vehicles respectively. Also, China is the world's number one manufacturer of electric vehicles. It produced about 1.3 million new energy vehicles in 2018. Along with all these reasons, there is also one more important factor which makes it a significant player in the world economy. Can you guess what it is?
Is it their import and exports? Because I know that China is number 1 in total exports and number 2 in total imports. Or is it something else?
Yes, you guessed it right. Pre-COVID, they were the world's biggest exporters of broadcasting equipment, computers, office machine parts, telephones, and semiconductor devices. They exported primarily to United States, Hong Kong, Japan, South Korea, and Germany. On the contrary, they were the world's biggest importers of crude oil, crude petroleum, iron ore, petroleum gas, soya beans, copper ore, mainly importing from South Korea, Japan, Australia, Germany, and United States.
Thanks for highlighting the pre-COVID situation. These numbers help me to get a clear idea about the Chinese economy. But I'm curious to know whether the situation is same post-pandemic also?
That's a pretty good question. Although China was hit pretty badly during pandemic, they have managed to recover quickly. According to the latest numbers, in July 2021, the exports and imports were worth $283 billion and $226 billion respectively, resulting in a positive trade balance of $56.6 billion. Comparing the July 2020 and July 2021 data, their exports have increased by $71.8 billion while imports have increased by $53 billion.
Wow, thanks. For now, these insights seem sufficient and would be of enormous help for my thesis. But in case I need your help in future, I will get back to you.
Hey, no problem. If you need any help, you can call me anytime.
And you guys out there, thank you for watching this video. To know more about China's operational strategies and supply chain efficiency, stay tuned to our channel Force Edu and watch out for our next video.